Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Vishnu and Jipudi, and I'm glad that you are all here. Today, we'll be covering problem number 14 on LeetCode. The problem is titled Longest Common Prefix and reads, write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there is no common prefix, return empty string. So example 1, input is flower, flow, flight, and the output is FL. In example 2, input is dog, race, car, and the output is empty string. So one thing that's handy in this problem is the arrays.sort function. In this case, it actually sorts them by which strings have the most prefixes in common. So let me let's first create an array to string method. To stirs and string stir. Now we have for int I equals 0, I is less than stirs dot length I plus plus, and then let's just first create a string builder that already starts with an open bracket, and then sb.append. Now what do we want to append? Stirs I, sb.append, comma space. Except here we have to do -1, because then we always have the special case. So let's see. sb.append stirs.length -1. And then here, instead of that, we use this when we return sb.toString. Okay, so now we have our r2stir method. So let's just demonstrate the power of arrays to sort. So you have to use arrays.sort, and then you put the array. So stirs, and then return r2stir stirs. Okay, so right now it will return the sorted array. So as you can see, the input right here. Oh, oops! I put r2sort. It's not good. So it used to be flower, flow, flight, but now it's flight, flow, flower. So this actually sorts them based on prefixes. So flight has the least in common, and flower has the most, because flow and flower both share flow, and flower is longer. So now that we have this, we can use this method, and then we can have a string s equals, let's just call this prefix. Okay, and so now we have while stirs, and then we want the last element, right? So stirs.length -1 dot contains. And now what do we want it to contain? We want it to contain prefix. Okay. And now we have prefix equals prefix dot substring. And now what do we want? We want an integer count, right? Because we want to know int cnt equals 0, prefix dot so cnt plus plus, prefix equals prefix dot substring 0 comma cnt. Not prefix dot substring, stirs 0. Okay, and now this will actually yield one extra character. So we want to return prefix dot substring 0 comma prefix dot length -1. Okay, but before that, let's see if there's any cases which would crash the program. So we do if stirs 0 equals and dot equals Okay. Now here we just return empty string. So now let's run code. We got accepted. Let's try a different one. Dog, race, car, car. Now let's run code. Exception, begin 4 and begin 0, end 4, line 3. So, what do you think went wrong? Well, let's just do system.out.print. Print one prefix, and then let's see where things got out of hand. So let's see a car. So here's the thing. We can't use prefix, right? Because we can't use .contains, because .contains assumes that if it's anywhere, but not that. We want it to be at the beginning. So instead of using .contains, we use .indexOf, and then we set it equal to 0. Now if we run code, accepted. We don't need the system.out.println. Let's just quickly do one with an empty string. Make sure it doesn't crash. Oh wait, we forgot a few more cases. What about empty array, right? So if strs.length 0, return empty string. Then if strs, one more case, if strs.length equals 1, actually we don't need this, because we also have to account for the case for all of them are the same, right? Like the first one and the last one, the same, right? So we can use a try catch to bypass this. So we can do try, let's just put a space there, catch, and then we just put exception key, and we just return prefix. So now let's run the code if there's, so now let's run the code if it's empty. Actually, wait. Then we don't need these statements, right? Yeah. Because if we run code, it automatically catches it. So, why is it taking so long to judge? Oh. So, yeah. So, yeah, we still have to include the strs.length equals 0. Return. Okay. So now it shouldn't crash. Accepted. Now let's try one where there's only one. Okay. Let's run code. Okay, accepted. So now let's just try one with a few of the same. Let's run code. Accepted, so let's submit. And we are done. Runtime 1 millisecond, faster than 60.24%. memory usage 37.2 megabytes, less than 96.16%. So that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. It really means a lot. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as well as click the bell icon. As always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any other requests or recommendations, please comment down below. That would be very greatly appreciated. And thank you all so much for watching. And this is Vishnu Manjipudi signing out. Bye.